Today is Saturday, March 12th, day 3 of NADA Show 2022 in Las Vegas. There's a lot to do today, so let's jump right in. The Expo opens at 8:30. In case you didn't make it there yesterday, now is the time. Make appointments with exhibitors in the mobile app or explore on your own. Dealer franchise meetings continue today, beginning at 8:30 a.m. and at 10:15. We've got more workshops and exchange sessions for dealership employees who are ready to take their businesses and careers to the next level. They start at 9 a.m. today and continue at 10:30, along with the Distinguished Speakers Series running throughout the day. At the NADA Live stage just outside the Expo, stop by for a fun segment and to learn something, or just hang out with us for a while and charge up your devices at the Power Lounge. Don't miss the Women Driving Auto Retail Brunch at noon at the Encore, a networking and education event for women who are leading the charge in shaping auto retail. If you don't already have a ticket, you can purchase one at registration. Everyone's favorite charity auction is happening at 1 p.m. today at the Backlot Cars booth on the Expo floor. Come help us provide service dogs to kids, adults, and veterans. It's a great cause and a lot of fun. In today's general session at 2:30, we'll be joined by football and broadcasting legend Michael Strahan, who will deliver the keynote address. We'll also hear from incoming NADA Chairman Mike Alford and his vision for the auto dealers of America. That's what's happening today at the show. For details on times and topics, check the NADA Show app or the online schedule at nadashow.org.